Good morning, Insight.
Good morning, sir.
I said, good morning, Insight.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Insight. Yeah, we all have ultimate excitement to understand, to know what is there in the fold of these 2 days for us. Basically, we all wanted to know what is there. We are gathered here to understand what we achieved last year, what are the plans, and how we are going to continue forward from here. Last year, we all have witnessed the growth, right? We all have witnessed a growth, irrespective of global recession, whatever been talked around, business economic, gone down, lot of job cut, lot of misunderstanding in the market space, that where the market is going to go for. But I think we means you, me, and we means yeah, you, me, and hum. As one, we achieved that last year. We bypassed, we have cut through the recession, and we are today here. Maybe we have increased in capacity. We have more knowledge base today, aiming to more challenges with better solutions, and that is where as of now today we are. Whatever initiative we started last year of TCT has started narrating required qualifications and started moving towards the success like what we wanted for. And one more thing, what I think that it is important to know to all of us, that last year whatever we have done, right from our transactions or kind of system which we implemented, kind of process we implemented, this all processes are complementing each other. My back office, my support team, my logistics, operations, my marketing, my AR, my finance, all put together when I look at, we have done a brilliant job, and I would like to give a big hand to each one out here. First of all, if at all we look at our support, so support have proved once more that they can take care of any level of installations across the country. Across the country. So multiple locations, installation done fantastically. I would like to give another big hand to our support team. Then our logistics and operations. They have made the statement by managing more than 250 locations delivery across the country. So again, a big hand. That is what I would like to extend to my operations and logistics team. My finance and AR team, they have managed fund flow superb. The way how they managed, I believe, if at all I say that in recession period, all credit goes to our finance team who managed our fund flow brilliantly. What to say about marketing? Do you want me to say something about marketing? I think marketing has touched a new height. That is the word only what I can say as of now, that my marketing team have achieved something phenomenal kind of achievements. New accounts, maybe it could be acquisition or the existing account. I would like to give a big salute to our marketing team. Thanks. I think way back in 2007, 2006 and starting of 2007, we started thinking about a change. I was talking about the kind of achievement what we had in last year. I recently started saying this, chase the change to change the chase. So this is not a day result. I mean, in 2006, end of 2006, I think long back, or 2007, we started thinking about change. I would put it in a way that this change is not mere transition. This change is not mere transition. It is a transformation. That is what I think. This is what my team think, and this is I want you to think, that the change is really required. Change is the only constant. That is what our tagline from years now. But this change, what is this change what we are talking about? This change is not a mere transition. It is a transformation. This change have connected. This change have connected you, me, and hum as one. So we need to be in a continuous process to follow the change. We are always going to chase. We are always going to chase the change. Always going to run after change. Today, ultimately, what is going to happen? This change results in a joint optimization of organizational and individual performance capability and satisfaction. Change is not about restructuring and re-engineering. Then what is change is all about? Can this change possible with one person or one mind? Question mark. No. Then I am mixture of my genetics, circumstances, and my own programming. Generally, my pre-programmed mind acts only in the way how it is programmed. My decisions, my choices, my thoughts, and my acts all originate from this pre-programmed mind. I want you to think beyond me, not to compete, but to complement, to complete me. Think beyond me. This is what theme of our this 2-day event. It is not think beyond. It is think beyond me. So when I say me, it is me. But when you are going to say me is you. So think beyond me, not to compete, but to complement, to complete me. You want to have some more clear picture about it? It's something like this, that I do have my own programmed mind, which maybe years back my parents, my circumstances, my friends would have injected in me. And I would have started thinking that this is true. Thinking get restricted with a person's thinking. So if I say some color, let's talk about my favorite color, blue. So when I say blue, my understanding blue is a color. थोड़ा और आगे सोचता हूं तो blue is the sky. Yeah, Madhu. What next? Blue ocean. Yeah, Santosh. Okay, let's get connected to dolphin. Yeah, Kuldeep. Sorry, deep. Yeah, yes, sir. Anything which comes to your mind when I say blue water? Maybe. Yeah, Sanjeev. I just want you to speak out. What comes in your mind when I say blue? Blue sea. Yeah, ocean. Yeah, Rupesh. Yeah, logo color. Yeah, Umesh. Shirt. Yeah. So this is what I mean to say, that a word blue, I was just knowing about sky. Today I know about ocean. I know about sea. I come to know about it's a shirt also. It's a tie also. There are many things. So this complements me. Other way around, how we work. When we go to a customer, it is our business model. Our business works on our customer. Business is more or less depend on our customer. So what do we need? We need more and more customers. We need to sustain with those customers. We need to add this customer into our list. So what do we do to get a customer? We do need a person, a mind, a hand, a reach. So we need one person to identify the market, identify the customer. What happens then? Once we identify the customer, the other gentleman from our marketing team, maybe a front-end salesperson or back office or a telephone caller, are going to dig more to explore that customer and some kind of opportunity in that particular customer place. So this is somebody else is doing. Then we give that account to a person who can manage that account well. Right? So I do a great skill, maybe identify a customer. Gunjan do a very good skill set to map entire customer in different manner, or maybe who is the right guy to address, the right guy to talk about. Maybe it could be a technical guy, a finance guy, CTO, CEO. Then I'll go to Bharat Bhushan. Right? So Bhushan now manage the account. I'll go to Pradeep. Pradeep manage the account. So what I do, actually what I do, or what exactly you are doing? You are just extending my thinking. You are complementing me. You are completing me. So with this say, I believe I'll hand over to the next speaker.